So we'll be checking out the WooCommerce layered navigation plugin today. And this particular plugin basically allows the users or the customers to filter products on the basis of category, price range, color, or the other attributes. And as the Ajax based feature is more captivating, there is no need to reload the whole page after applying the filters. So basically the related products are displayed instantly without any page load, and thus this plugin provides a quick response to the search process itself. So we'll be checking out the same functionality on the storefront. As you can see right now, I'm at the WooCommerce platform based web store, and on the right hand side you can see that there is one option to filter by price. You can filter it out, you can clear the filter that you've already applied. You can search the products according to the color of the product. So here you have different color platelets. So if you tap any one of them, and if that particular color is available in any of the products there, then those products would be displayed to the customer. Apart from that, you can also see that we have the categories filter, and from here the customers can basically filter out the products within the categories there. We also have the size filter option, wherein you can choose a large, medium, or a small size, and according to that particular chosen size, the products would be displayed. For example, if I tap here on the large, you'll see a tick mark there, and the products that are having the large size are being displayed. So if I tap here on the flying ninja, and from here basically, so if you see that right now, if I go to the additional information of this particular product, that's the flying ninja, you'll see that within the additional information we have the brand, color, gender, and the size. So within the size we have the large and medium. So if I go back to that particular section once again, you can see that we had the large. Similarly, you can apply more by tapping here on the medium button. According to that, the products will be filtered out having the size as medium. So if I tap here on the flying ninja once again, and if I go to the additional information section, here we have the large and medium. Now let's go back, and the customers can also basically filter out the products according to the brand names. So here you can set up the brand names, and after tapping on any of the brands, the relative products having those brands would be displayed to the customer. So for example, if I tap here on the Adidas, then the products having the Adidas brand would be displayed. So for example, if I go to the patient ninja, so here we can see that within the additional information we have the brand as Adidas, Nike, Puma, and Reebok. So that's why this these products got displayed there. So let's go back, and now let me show you how we can filter the products according to the price range. But before that, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then kindly do give it a thumbs up. So now you can see that I have not logged into my customer account, and let's filter out the products according to the price. So it's starting from 10, and it's ending on 30. Alright, we'll set it as 30 here, and now I'll just tap here on the filter button. Now the products whose cost is between $10 and $30, those would only be displayed. So you can see that we have $12 and $15 products. So that's how this particular filter by price works. At a time, you can apply all of the what we say as the filters there, and according to the selected ones, the products would be displayed. Now if you want to clear the filter by price, you can just tap here on the clear button, and then we'll have the rest of the products there. So right now you can see that we have the $35 patient ninja. So we had set up the 12 to 35 there. Now according to the color, the customers can also basically search the what we say as the products. And apart from the brand, as I've already told you, we can also filter up the products according to the rating. So if I tap here in the 5-star rating, the product having the 5-star rating would be displayed. So here you can see that within size I've chosen two options here, and under the brand I've chosen Adidas, and within the ratings I've chosen 5. Similarly, we can basically choose multiple attributes and their values at a time, and the browser basically maintains the previous state itself. And as I've told you that that the price bar through the buyer can select a price range. So from here you will be able to select a price range according to which you want to filter out the products there. So now coming to the colors section. So if I choose any of the colors here, and if that particular color is there within the different products, then those products would be displayed. So if I tap here on the blue color, so you can see that right now we don't have any of the products having the blue color. So also kindly note that you can see that still our options are selected here for the filtration. So let me remove, and if I set the filter price as 0 to 155, you can see that the products having the price range between 0 and 155 would be displayed. So you can see that $150, $100, and $50. It can also be a lower number than 50 as well, and after that you just to tap here on the filter button. You can also clear this one, and to do so just tap here on the clear button, and then all of the default products within the same would be displayed to the customer without any filter attributes here. So right now you can see we have the filter option for the price, for the color. We also have the category filters, the size filter, the brand filter, and the rating filter as well, that can be multi-selected by the customers to narrow down their search for the products that they are looking for. And for example, within the categories here, if I tap here on the t-shirts, you'll be able to see the respective t-shirts being displayed here. And for example, if I go with the medium, so I've chosen the category and the size as medium. So right now there are no products for the medium, so let's uncheck that. And if I go for large, alright, the large also hasn't any products there. So similarly we can choose the brand as well. So if I tap here on the Adidas or Nike or Puma or Reebok, the respective products for those brand values would be displayed to the customer. So that was basically how this WooCommerce layered navigation works. So it just allows you to narrow down the search very quickly according to the options provided on the right hand side for filtering the products. And now let me take you to the admin backend panel, and let's see how the admin can configure the same from the backend. So I'll just log into the admin backend panel by entering my username and password. So after login, we'll be on the dashboard, and here on the side panel, after the successful installation of this particular plugin, the admin can see the WooCommerce Ajax filters settings. So I'll just tap on that, and that brings up the WooCommerce Ajax filter settings, as you can see. So from here you'll be able to add the filter widgets by tapping here on the add filter widgets. Apart from that, you can enable the WooCommerce Ajax navigation filter by choosing enable. To disable the feature, just select the disable option, and then we have the attribute relation. So basically here we have the and or. So if I've chosen as or, then the relation between two products or multiple products would be or. And if I choose an and, then strictly those two products should be there within the same, so as to filter out the results there. And after setting this up, you just need to tap here on the save button to save your filter settings. Now to add a new filter widget, just tap here on the add filter widget button, and that brings up the attribute section here, where you will be able to create your attributes for the products there. And on the right hand side within the table, you can see that we've already created some attributes like the brand, color, size. We've set the slug for the same, and we have also set up the rest of the details, as you can see. So order by goes to the custom ordering and custom ordering. And for the terms here, you can see that we have the confirm configure terms option as well, according to the size, color, and brand attributes there. And that's how you can create the uh, filter options. And to create a new one, you just set up the name slug, and you can set up the default sort order for the same. And then lastly, you just need to tap here on the add attribute button, and you're done creating the filter attributes there. So after creating the attributes here, you just need to go to the section that's under the layered widget, and you'll be able to find it under the available widget section. So here we have the appearance and the widgets. And once you've clicked the layered widget, a drop down list appears, and the admin can select the required options from the list. And here you can see that the admin has selected the sidebar, and on choosing the sidebar, the admin simply needs to tap on the add widget button and add the navigation there. So here you can see that under the widgets we have layered product attributes, and from here we have the complete list of attributes. So from here as well we can add the attributes or cancel the ones. So after choosing them up, basically the sidebar option would be visible, and the admin can create the attributes similarly like the attributes for the filter by price. So here you can see that filter by price option is as well, and the admin can create as many as attributes, and these attributes shall be visible to the customers on the front end under the additional information section. And yes, that was much about the WooCommerce layered navigation plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, or suggestions, then kindly reach back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.ubdesk.com, or you can contact us through www.webkul.com/contacts. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.